Hey guys, welcome back to 123 Bros CC. It is 8:25 in the morning. So what me and Cole Casey were trying to do is we're gonna surprise our dad with a little something extra. We are gonna make him have a Nerf battle. Gave him a gun, but he hasn't woken up yet. Shoot, give it. My gun got stuck again. We'll see you guys when he comes. Alright guys, it's been a few minutes since I did the last scene you probably saw. Here's something my dad doesn't know about, because I told you guys we were going to have a Nerf war. Look what I have right here. A secret stash of Nerf guns. I have a secret stash right there. For me and Casey, if our guns run out of ammo, they are going to go in there and then get more ammo. Now you'll actually see you guys when my dad shows up. Attack, men! We're under attack!
Where'd he find the bullets?
Yeah! Where'd you find that gun from?
Yeah.
I have nothing to protect myself with!
Did he find where his secret hideout is, where we hid the guns?
The guns?
Uh-oh!
Where is his tiny gun?
Oh!
This is very bad, men. We're under attack.
No.
Shoot.
Wait, how did he find that bullet?
Guess what, dude? I gave him one, and guess what? Now his one bullet's missing. And I have it right here.
I mean, how do you call somebody into a gunfight? You guys only have one bullet each.
Oh, I think we have more. I think we have more.
We need to get more guns. Hey, I'm gonna block him.
Oh, you guys had these guns.
Yep, we played them on Thursday.
Ow! Why'd you shoot me?
I'm sorry. Ow! Get him.
Ow!
We're winning, man. I have a big gun over here. Oh no. Dad's shooting at me. He knows I have the biggest gun. Oh no.
I have all 6 of my darts.
Oh! You got me!
Oh yeah!
Here, let me see it.
Hey,
This gun's jammed.
you ready for
This
the
gun's
judge?
Hold on.
You ready for the judge?
Shoot him. Shoot him. Liquid.
Ah, no throat.
No. Dad, that's my gun.
Oh,
Shoot the
nuts!
How's it go in?
You shot me in the nuts!
I'm recording, dude.
No kicking in the nuts!
Oh, yeah.
Or
We
no
can't say
shooting
it. That was
in
an
the
accident.
Please don't take me down, YouTube.
Ah.
You just shot my guitar. We need more bullets.
Don't worry. I have 2 guns that have a lot of ammo.
Give me one. Give me one. Come on. Come on, Casey. Here. Yes.
Okay.
Guys, I got this one.
Hey, look what
Ricochet.
gun I have. The butt.
Ah.
Right in the head. You guys saw it right here first.
Okay. That's enough. Ow.
Shoot him.
Ow.
I'm out of ammo.
I surrender.
Nope. Never surrender. We don't take surrenders.
I surrender.
We don't take surrenders.
Oh.
No ever. Now give us.
Also, that gun's jammed. If you think to pick up that gun's jammed. Come on.
I only need one more dart left.
Oh, hold on. I'll take this one. Alright, guys. So I got this one.
That bowl doesn't work.
Hey!
No, that one's big.
That's why we decided to get dressed, because I knew I was going to make a video.
Ow!
Haha. Shoot. My PS4 is blocking a bullet. Be worth thinking I shouldn't use the... How'd you get that gun to shoot?
Gotta use the blue and yellow one.
Shoot.
Oh!
I need a big dart. Oh. I need to borrow one of these. I got my dad's dart. Ow!
It fell out.
Hey!
Wait, hold on. Die. This gun's useless. Where's
Take cover!
Take cover! Everybody take cover! Alright, I'm gonna bring my... Oh, thank you, Dad. You gave me a bullet. Oh!
Hey, close.
He's aiming for me. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Ow.
Don't go.
Oh no, I ran out of ammo. Ah! Where'd that bullet go? There it is! This is the army. We are the army of children.
Cover for you.
Ow.
We are the army of children.
Hey.
Come on, go, Carter. Take cover.
Ah! Oh, that was so close to shooting me. Wrap it up. Guys, we're gonna continue this, but I don't think I feel like the camera's gonna get hit one of these times. So we're gonna see you later. See you guys. I hope you have a nice day.